Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix backspace key not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. We just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select accessibility, on right side scroll down and select keyboard. We just need to make sure to turn off this filter keys guys. We just need to turn it off. After that just close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the keyboard section and right click on where keyboard driver and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Select check for updates. If you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. You just need to right click on your keyboard driver and select uninstall device and select uninstall and uninstall the device. After that, click on this action tab and select scan for hardware changes. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.